philodendron. Somebody's philodendron right there. Pygmy date palm. So there's lots of different palms out here. A random cactus chilling. Lemon guava, yellow lemon trees, avocado trees. What is that tree? Goldenberry. Oh, I love goldenberries. Those are so good to me. I thought they were ground cherries. I don't know, maybe that's different from what I eat from pear cedar. More succulents. They have these cute little planters, $12.98. Those are cute. I don't think they're starting, but they're cute. And here's some more arrangements over here. Baskets, little small ones. And up here they have the succulents or the snake plants. As you can see, they're growing like crazy. I want one of these. I want one of these pretty badly. It's so cute. An influencer on YouTube actually had that on a short. I don't remember who it was, but I really liked it. Oh, look at this. Don't know how much it is, but isn't it so cute? There's more cacti and succulents here on this table. And they also have like hanging baskets up at the top. Then they have a bunch of like assorted air plants down here. How much are these? $3.98. I saw these the other day. It's a specific one that I liked. It wasn't as soft as the ones that we normally see. Is this one? Oh, I'll say this one $3. This one's $11.98. Smaller plants right here, and cute little planters, some arrangements, and then there's more air plants up here. Well, this Bromeliad is on this Driftwood for $21.98. That's cute. That is so intense. I don't even know if I can get a good picture of it because it's so crazy. And then here we have some large trees. Oh, there's a nice arrangement too. On the larger trees, I usually have the prices where they're nice and big, so you could see them. There's no question about the large trees, floor plants, how much they cost. So here's the other side of the store. Hanging plants up there. And then there's some off in the cut. Those are fake plants back there. Back there are fake plants. So it's not like an overwhelming amount of plants. I feel like they do have a nice selection so far. I really want one of these Dracaenas. Is it Dracaena Diramensis? I think it's a Dracaena Emerald. I just want one. I want one so bad. Up here we have some snake plants. Are these in that? Good, it has start. The other ones had, the other snake plants I saw yesterday, they had rocks. whatever. Ponytail palms from the Vigro collection. And then their Birkins. I didn't really get to take a look at these 5-inch Bromeliad. Oh, so these are Bromeliads. I thought they were Driftinas. Okay. Blooming plants. And then here's the home decor, what they call the home decor. So I'm assuming these are plants that are actually inside of planters that are gonna add some spice to your life. Yeah. Well, I guess you live in there. Ooh, this is pretty. I haven't seen this color, brown. That's real cute. Ooh, or this one. Those are cute colors. Stay up there. That's so much going on in here, y'all. So much. I think I got this one the last time I was here. If you didn't know, I collect snake plants. So I'm always trying to buy some, like, no matter what. I'm always down to buy a good snake plant. So far, I bought 2 on my trip this time. More of the Sansevierias. I feel like those would do really well potted directly in the terracotta. Peace Lily. She's so cute. She's so cute. Some nerve plants, some ivy. The Bromeliads. Up here we have some hanging golden pothos for $14 or $16.98. Very full. More arrangements. This one looks like it's been through some things. It does have a Hoya publicalis, but it's looking like it's been ran through. It looks like it might have some type of disease or something. Not just water on it. Oh wow. I saw one of these arrangements the other day, but it had some type of Scindapsus in it. This one has the Hoya Crimson Queen in there. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a nice arrangement. I wonder if that's on clearance. Because if you get this, you could kind of just break it down or take these ones out. A Fishbone Cactus. The cacti, there's 2. There's a bunch of them actually. We also have Hoya Carnosa Crimson here up top in front of me and on the back row. Hoya Carnosa Crimson. I have this at home, so I won't be getting it. Lately, I've been losing my ish over Hoyas, but I have all of these, so nothing special. But I do like that Fishbone Cactus. I just don't know how I'd be able to take it home and make it stay alive. Spider plant. It looks like a straight one and a curly one in there for $10. More Bromeliads. Like a sea of Bromeliads.
Yo.